How to fix still receiving calls on Do Not Disturb mode in iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, open the option Focus. Now click on the option Do Not Disturb. Now open this option People. You will see the option of Allow Calls From. Click on it. Set it to Allow Read People Only. And make sure you haven't added anyone over here. Likewise, toggle off for this option of Allow Repeated Calls. Once you check these settings, your problem will be fixed. Likewise, heading towards next solution, head back to the main page of settings. Go to the option General. Scroll all the way down. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix still receiving calls on Do Not Disturb mode in iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.